carried me. Your endless love has set me free. Morning by morning, your mercy is new. Forever, Lord, my heart sings to you.
You are my shelter, my hope, my King. To your holy name, my soul will sing.
Through every season, you stay the same. Forever worthy is your great name. Every breath we take belongs to you. Every victory comes from you. We lift our hands with grateful hearts. Your love will never depart.
Amashimwe yose ni ayawe Mana, icyubahiro ni ay'icyawe Yesu. Twese hamwe turagusingiza, ubuntu bwawe ntibushira.